we have given fraction, we have to change to decimal. How we change this fraction to decimal? We will divide numerator by denominator. We will use long division. Our divisor is 12, and because we cannot put 12 to 5, after 5 whole number is decimal point, and we will add extra zeros. When we add zeros after decimal point, we didn't change the value of our number, it's still 5. And now, how many times we can put 12 to 5? 0. 0 times 12 is 0. Subtraction. So we have 5, and we have to take up decimal point and take down next digit. So we have 50 divided by 12 is 4. 4 times 12 is 48. Subtraction. So it will be 2. We take down next digit. So we have 20 divided by 12 is 1. 1 times 12 is 12. Subtraction. So it will be 8. We take down next digit. So it will be 80 divided by 12 is 6. 6 times 12 is 72. Subtraction. So it will be 8. So again we got 8. So because our remainder is different than 0, let's add 2 more zeros to our dividend, and we take down next 0. So will be 80 divided by 12 is 6. 6 times 12 is 72. Subtraction, and again we will have 8. So we see that our remainder is different than 0. We will still get 6. In our quotient, 6 repeats. So our solution, we can rewrite that this is 5 over 12 is approximately equal, because we didn't finish long division. So this is 0, decimal point 4166. And because 6 repeats, we can use a repeat bar and write that 5 over 12, this is equal 0, decimal point 41, and above 6 we will write the bar. This is repeat bar. This is my solution.